There we go, we're reading 1289 volts. Welcome to another Caravan video, my 1994 Lunar planet Saturn, and in this video I'm going to do a few pre-outing checks. So I'm going to go around, give it the usual once over, and I'm going to replace this toilet fluid because I think we've run out. We haven't got much left, so I'll just take you guys off a tripod and I'll show you around, see where we are with stuff. Now, as you can see, the covers are pretty much destroyed. Probably when we had all the storms earlier on this year. So instead of replacing it, I did get offered a replacement cover by the gentleman that runs a storage place. He says, somebody's got a cover for sale, so I don't think we'll be taking him up on that. Anyway, we'll go around and check on the leisure battery. I've undone the straps and get to the leisure battery and do a quick voltage check. Okay, I don't know how well you're going to see this, but just get the multimeter set up. So I've got to switch it to 20 volts DC. Now last year I had to have the leisure battery replaced because the other one was swelling and it was making funny smells, so obviously it was definitely on its way out, so I just touch the terminals on, just get a proper contact. There we go, we're reading 1289 volts on the multimeter, so that's good. We've got a good leisure battery. And just a quick visual check on it. Let's have a look. I can pull this out. Let's have a look. It's not swollen, and the terminals look fairly clean. I could have brought my terminal tool, but never mind. That looks to be all good. So that's the leisure battery check completed, and we'll go inside. Okay, so I've got all the cupboards open to air it out. It looks like moisture absorbers have been doing their job. Do a bit of mould on there, but it'll clean up. That's still a bit of damp air. And yes, we've got two moisture absorbers, and they've definitely done the job, because as we know, damp is the Caravan's biggest enemy. So we'll just go into the washroom. I bought some more toilet fluid. Let's see if I can get into the washroom here. And fortunately I can't see anything toward, just need to give it a bit of a clean, and we should be good. I'll just move these awning poles out of the way, and then I've got access to the washroom. Let's have a look. Yeah, we're definitely out of toilet fluid. I just put you guys down because it's just a bit hard to do stuff one-handed. I think the shades are going to help. Let's have a look. Yes, we definitely need the blue toilet fluid, so what I'm going to do is make a bit of room for it. Oh yeah, we're a bit low on the pink stuff as well, but luckily I know local Aldi that's got it in stock. I should have bought a pink one. I only bought the blue one, but never mind. So I took to Aldi. I'll be coming back here. definitely need some more of that pink toilet fluid, because the pink toilet is for the flushing mechanism, and the blue stuff is what you put in the cassette at the bottom. So they have different fluids for different uses, but yeah, everything looks to be fine. No signs of any water ingress. Just looking at no water ingress, and yep, that's working. Just check just check some lights. Although their mains operated, so they won't work. Yeah, the blower works, even though we don't really use it. Yep. Just check a few lights. But yeah, everything seems to be in order. Right, so just a bit of cleaning. Oh, it didn't quite shut on its own. There we go, that's good. Let's have a quick look under the sink. There's about, I think it's about taps supposed to have, yeah, taps should be left open, which I think they were. I'm checking here again. Got my foot caught on something. Just check the tap. I think I left them open. Yeah, taps are left open. Something you really need to do with Caravan, but yeah, sink's fine. So that basically concludes the quick pre-outing check. That's the end of this particular video. So yeah, Caravan's looking in good shape and it's ready for its next outing. So hope you enjoyed this video. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.